Hey everyone, welcome back to your own channel where we make creativity simple and accessible. If you have been working on an animation in Adobe Animate CC and you are wondering how to export it as an MP4 file, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First thing first, let's ensure you have completed your animation project and everything is set on the timeline. Make sure to double check the duration and playback of the speed. Once your animation is ready, we can move on to the export. To export, let's go to File, then click on Export, and then click on Export with Media. Here the Export Video dialog appears. In the render size, make sure that the render size matches your desired output resolution. Also ensure that Convert Video in Adobe Media Encoder is checked. This step is crucial for creating an MP4 file. Now click on the Export button and this will launch the Adobe Media Encoder. Once Adobe Media Encoder opens, you will see the video export is complete. Once the video export is complete, navigate to the output folder and check your .mp4 file by clicking here. And that's it. Your animation is now successfully exported as an MP4 file. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop down them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on our tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.